Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your username on the Telegram app right from your PC. Telegram recently updated its interface, so if you're wondering where the option is now located or how to make the switch quickly, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer and log in if you aren't already. Once you're on the main screen, look up to the top left corner. You'll see three small horizontal lines stacked together, sometimes called the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as the menu opens, a list of options will appear, and from there, you'll want to click on My Profile. This takes you directly to your profile page, where all of your personal details are displayed. Now, once you're on your profile page, look closely for the Edit option. Usually, it shows up as a small pencil or edit icon. Click on that, and you'll see the editable fields for your display information. One of those fields is your username. Click into the username section, and you'll now be able to type in the new username that you want to use. Keep in mind that it needs to be unique, since Telegram doesn't allow two people to have the exact same username. If the one you typed is already taken, you'll see a notification, and in that case, you can try adding some numbers, a different word, or a slightly new spelling until it's accepted. Once you've entered the username that you're happy with, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see the Save button. Click Save, and that's it. Your username will be updated immediately, and anyone who searches for you by your new username will now be able to find your profile. Changing your username is a great way to refresh your visibility on the app, make your profile easier to find, or simply personalize your account a little more. And with the recent update, the process is now very straightforward once you know where everything is. So now you're all set. Your Telegram username on PC has been successfully changed in just a few easy steps.